Today we're going to play a cell phone game called Skee-Ball Plus. Download this off your Play Store. It's a free game. There's your icon. Google Play Games. Sign in. Oh, I don't have an account, so I can't sign in. Alright, let's see what. Daily Challenge. Weekly Challenge. Well, I don't have anything set up there yet, so let's play the game. What can we get here? 50 tickets gets us something. Plus 10. Skee-Ball, here we go. Skid the ball right up there and drop it in one of those holes. 10. A little better shot. 40. Been a while since I played one of these games. That one missed altogether, didn't it? So we've got 4 balls left, it says. Not scoring a lot of points here, am I? That's my last shot. Was a 40. That's a good one. What did we get here? 160 points, 3 tickets. Remember, we gotta have 50 to win anything. Let's play another one. Achievement Challenge. 5. Classic game. 5 in a row or something. Good for 50 right off. Whoops. You can see it's going to take some practice before I get to be a good shot in this. Oh, 50. What do we get here? 280. That's a little better. 6 tickets. Got 9 total now. Gotta get 240 tickets to make the next level. 50 is what we gotta have to win anything. One there. Whoop. Still not a very good shot, am I? Trying to hit that 100, but I missed. What do we get here? 183 tickets. I need 238 to get to the next level. That's a 50, alright. Just slide your finger up the alley and it'll shoot the ball for you. Looks like the faster you slide your finger, the faster it goes. 224 tickets. Three times 10 point. So reward. Oh, I can hit that 10 point. Now watch, I'll probably hit all 50s trying to hit the 10. Yep, that's what I'm doing, isn't it? I didn't hit the reward there. $265 tickets. Three balls in the 50 is a reward, it says. Get a little better getting the higher points. Did not get the reward though. 250 and I got 5 tickets there. I got 26 total. Halfway to the goal. $50. It did 40 twice, didn't it? $290.6 tickets. I have 32 total now. There's a 50. Another 50. $310 and 6 tickets. I have 38 now. Yeah, still gotta have 50 to get anything. I remember playing these in the arcades when we were young. I think they still may have some at Chuck E. Cheese's. $300 points and 6 tickets. I have 44 now. Here's my reward for 3 10-pointers. Surely I can hit the 10 pointers. Here's one. Two. There's 3. Alright. Got my bonus that time. Alright, we got the reward. Rate the game. We'll do that later. We got our reward that time. Plus 10 ball. $210. I got 4 tickets. 48 tickets now. Looks like I can get the first one up there. I had 48, but I got a bonus, I think. $420 points needed for reward this time, or 440, something like that. Then I like to hit some big ones. I figure out how to hit that 100-pointer over there. I can do this. Yeah, I'm not gonna make no 400 points on this one. Hit a 50. Unfortunately, you didn't make it. Okay. 4 tickets. $250 and 5 tickets. Pass them off the wall. That did pretty good, didn't it? Play the angle here. Oh, I got 100. Look at that. Try that again. Another 100. Oops. $50. Get in that 100. Oh. $380. That's a good one. Got 8 tickets. You're shooting off that wall, see if we can get those hundreds. Man, we're hitting the others. Just hadn't figured out how to consistently hit 100 yet. Getting better. 265 tickets. 3 in the 20, it says. Settings, music. Do I quit the game? Yeah, I think we're going back to the phone now. This is a lot of fun. It's a free game. Download it off your PlayStation. Here we are. We'll see you next time.